Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 9, and today I'll show you how you can apply a screen protector to your brand new watch. Now, this one will be a little bit interesting because the watch or screen protector that comes here is made out of plastic, or like, the flimsy ones. And this display is, as you can see, a little bit curved, so it's not completely flat. So I'm curious how that will actually turn out to be placed on this display. For the Ultra one, obviously the display there is completely flat, so it's completely different, but here, just we'll see once I place it on there. So anyway, let's get the package out. Now, I am using whatever this is, the HOFI, however you want to read this. And in general, the packaging that you get, or the content of the package that you get, is pretty good. You have a little kind of thingy thing to just smear it here so we can flatten this protector. We have two of them included. We also have two different wipes included. There we go, there's the second one. And we also have these stickers, two of them. Now these seem a little bit extensive, considering the same ones come for like devices with a massive displays. And what these are used for is, this one is for removing dust, so you just kind of peel that off and then you stick it onto the display to get rid of any kind of dust that will settle on your screen right before you apply your protector. And then we have guiding stickers, which you would basically place on a phone. It doesn't really apply to a watch like this. So you would place these on edges right here. And when you're slapping on your tempered glass and it's kind of crooked a little bit, you can then use that guiding sticker to lift it up, and this will lift up the tempered glass and you can reposition it with hopefully better results. Now, obviously the guiding stickers for the watch are absolutely useless. The dust sticker might be useful. It literally covers the entire display. But let's start off by cleaning it up. So we do have these wet wipes right here. I also have one that I have from the previous Ultra video, which is still wet because it was literally recorded 5 minutes ago. So we can start to clean it off. It is on alcohol basis, so it basically gets rid of any kind of like oils that you might have, that the watch surface might have from you touching it. Once it's cleaned off, you can then grab one of these microfiber cloths and then clean it off so it's dry and clean. Now, the thing that I recommend doing is keeping that cloth over your screen. After all, you cleaned it. There is no dust on it right now, hopefully. And by you cleaning or keeping this little cloth right here, you're basically preventing any kind of future dust from settling on the display, because right now it will be settling on this little cloth. Now in here, we have our flimsy little protector. As you can see, it is completely plastic, and it just kind of weird shifts. Anyway, so we have screen protector, position lines, cool. Like, I'm not really sure what the position lines are for, but whatever. Now we have three different numbers right here. That's the first. So I'm pretty sure, even though I haven't done this yet, but I guess if I mess it up, I still have the second one. So we have the number one, which you would most likely peel off first, which will then reveal the sticky side on this little protector, which you then slap it down. And then we have 2 and 3 for some reason, which I'm not exactly sure what's the difference here. Oh, I think I might have an idea. So you place it, then you remove the second one, you probably then do this, and then you remove the third one, because you might actually scratch it up with this kind of smearing on with this. So anyway, let's get to it. So it looks like it's actually the upside down, like this. I'm trying to position it correctly, but I'm getting a little bit messed up by the fact that the display is a little bit curved, so I'm constantly like lifting it up and repositioning it just so I can find what would be considered the middle of the display, literally the middle. And I think I just got it. So now we're gonna grab this. If I'm doing this correctly, obviously. Which I don't think I am. Okay, so now that I look at it, I think it's gonna go this way actually. So let's see, do I want to peel off the number 1 or number 2? Because I did peel off apparently number 3 first. So I'm not sure if it's visible. Come on, camera. So we have a little bit of a cut right here, and these are the 2 different separate parts. So this on the top will be what you actually will be pressing on once it's applied, and we want to now remove, I presume, number 1 right here, and then align it just at the very bottom right here, and then remove number 2 and just kind of like flop it on. I'm struggling with removing just the number 1. There we go. Oh boy, my shaky hands aren't helping me. Yeah, that's not straight, obviously. So I'm gonna attempt to put it on completely straight. Oh, I think that's how it's gonna go. Yep, that seems pretty good. As you can see, the spacing right here is pretty well kept all around. So now the very bottom of it, it's already glued, so we're gonna now just grab that, flip it up, and do this. I did mess it up a little bit when I was fiddling around with it, because we do have an annoying little line right here, which is what I presume just a little bit of like messed up glue when the 2 parts were rubbing against each other. So this is on the other side, and I actually have no way of cleaning that off, so it will have to stay. But now I could technically replace it with another one and have a much better result now that I actually know what I'm supposed to do here. Considering I was kind of getting messed up by how you're supposed to peel those off. Anyway, so there we go. Once you get, just to kind of go over this and recap it, considering it was a little bit weird how it's coming off. So you start off with the number 1, which, yeah, it's basically from this side. So you try to peel it off from the bottom side. So you have the writing here, flip it over, and you try to peel off only the number 1. So this tiny little portion, this one. Again, it's kind of hard to show it off. So you peel that off, and then, like you've seen, you start off by placing it, and then you flip off the 2, and using this, once it's flipped over, you just kind of like push it onto the display. Just take time to align it correctly with on the display. So once it gets placed, it's evenly spread out all around the bezels. Now, that being said, apart from this line, I can genuinely not tell that there's anything applied to this display. It's very hard to see. You can see it maybe at an angle right here. This kind of line right here, which shows you that something is on there, but in like typical looking at it, I just actually don't see it. Apart from this annoying line, which I did screw up myself. But anyway, as you can see, the application went pretty well apart from this line. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.